place value for it. So what do we, Cami? So you're going to put in 0x squared for that. So when there is no term, we still need a place value for that. So we put in 0x squared to fill the place. Okay. And we'll start this one. I don't think I'll go all the way through it. We'll just start it, make sure we've got the first step, then it just repeats the same step over and over again. So we don't need to do that. All right, so 4x to the 4th divided by x squared. What do we get? Ethan, you got it? 4x to the 4th divided by x squared.
4x squared.
Now it'll be, oh, yep, I'm sorry. Lines here there. All right, so we get 4x squared. All right, then we distribute it. What do we get? What do we get there? Mason?
You get 4x to the 4th plus 44x squared.
And we change the signs, we subtract. Okay, these go away, and we have minus x cubed minus 44x squared. Bring down 11x. Okay, negative x cubed divided by x squared would be what? Ashley? Negative x cubed divided by x squared? Negative x, good. And we repeat the process here. So we multiply, we get negative x cubed minus 11x. Wipe that out there. Okay, and we just keep going. Same process here. I'll do this real quick. Change the signs. So we get negative 44x squared. Bring down the 484. Negative 44x squared. Divided by x squared, we get minus 44. And then if we multiply, we get negative 484 minus 44x squared. Change the signs. We get a remainder of 0. Yes, sir.
Oh, no, wait, never mind. I was about to ask, like,
Now,
where'd the 44?
If we get a remainder of 0, don't we call this, if we were to redistribute this and get these, aren't these called factors? Right? Okay, so what they're going to ask you, they're going to ask you if you divide them if they are factors. So if they are factors and we divide them, what should we get as a remainder? If they ask, for example, number 4, it asks, is it a factor? In order for it to be a factor, we have to get a remainder of
0.
0. Okay? All right, then let's take a look. Example number 5 says, what is the ratio of the volume to the surface area for a rectangular prism? What is the volume of a rectangular prism? How do you find the volume? Mason?
It's a length times width times height.
Okay. Length times width times height, so it's x times x plus 10 times x minus 1. Now how do you find the area, the surface area? How do you find the surface area of a rectangular prism? What is a rectangular prism made up of? Rectangles, right? Surface area means the area of all the sides. How many sides do you have in a rectangular prism? Can you think it through? How many sides you have, Mason?
There are 6 sides, so it would be length times width to the 6th power.
Okay. All right, length times, now they're not all the same, so what you have to do is you have to take and multiply each one, and so they show it there. You've got x plus 10 is the length of one side. Okay. Now, they double it, because aren't opposite sides of a rectangular prism the same? Right? So we could just double it. You've got x plus 10 times x would be one side, but you have 2 of those. So we just have to do 3 pairs of them. All right? That would be the length of the back and the front. The length of the side would be x times x minus 1. We double that, and then the length of the top would be x plus 10 times x minus 1. then it's a whole bunch of distributing and things like that. Okay, we won't bother doing that. All right, go ahead and stop that right there, Mason.